Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today I've been working on getting this flat of lavender transplanted out, and I did learn something. I should have transplanted it out when these were smaller. This whole thing has become one big matted, tangled thing of roots, and I'm trying to get the plants apart as best as I can here without damaging or breaking anything. So we're going to get these here transplanted here. I've been, like I said, transplanting a bunch of them out. So we're going to go out here and get this done. So I'm putting these in about 4-inch containers here, and you can see these are all sort of matted together. So I'm going to have to work on these to get them apart, because I don't want to break anything and everything's just sort of like stuck together here. This is not how I want to take these apart at all. I'm just sort of trying to work the roots apart with my fingers because I don't want to damage the stems. And I'm transplanting these into 4-inch square and round containers. Have to lift these up a little bit. And this here is an English lavender here. I also have the lady lavender, and I have a Munstead lavender, and I have a true lavender. And the true lavender one, that's the name that's on the pack, so that's just what I'm calling it because that's what they have it labeled as. Here done here, and I'm wearing gloves because I'm not all sure what all's in this potting mix here. It looks like it was decomposing some, so I'm just wearing gloves. Okay, I'm going to get this watered here.
I think it's raining.
It is raining. So I'm just watering these till water runs out the bottom here. And like I said, this is the first time I've ever grown these lavender, started them off in flats, and I will be transplanting them from now on when they are much smaller. It's going to be a whole lot easier before all of the roots are established. So we're going to get these moved here. Take them into the greenhouse. I'm just making sure if anything's sunk, I'm just filling in around it here. There we go. We'll take these in, we'll get them labeled then later. And you can see these here were already transplanted here. And these are all English lavender. My Munsteads are over here. My Munstead lavender is over here. And I only have 2 of these. I'll probably be planting more of them. And then I have like 2 flats of lady lavender. But, this was the first year that I tried growing the lavender and the flats. And the reason why I did it is because lavender seeds have such a low germination rate. So I will definitely be transplanting them when they are much smaller from now on. But I just wanted to do this video to let you know that and to show you how to transplant them out of the flats. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more video updates and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description of my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!